Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got a box of dresses, 80 bucks. That's all this cost me. So they're actually formal gowns. A lot of them run pretty expensive. And I think these are still left over from the COVID year where nobody could go anywhere and no formals, no homecomings, no proms were happening. And then I think it might have some other random kind of business like dresses as well. So we're going to go ahead and open this. This is Amazon Overstock from 888 Lots. 80 bucks is what I paid. Let's find out what they look like. All right, let's find out what is inside this box. All right, 10-piece evening gown dresses. Is it literally all zip tied together? It is. Look at that.
Awesome.
Yay! All right, we'll see if we can't get this apart.
Well, they come all out. You can just lay them on the table.
I could. Hold on. I don't want to cut any of them. Oh, it's very heavy. All right.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. So
You're done. You're unboxed.
Unboxed. All done. Okay, bye, guys. No. All right, let's see what they all look like. So I think I'm going to set it up where I can hang it on the back of my board here.
I'm working pretty good for it.
Yeah. And we're just going to pull this off because we don't really need this top layer one. Ooh, that's pretty. So this just kind of has a stretchy neckline. Almost want to pull this table over so you can see it a little better. There. That way we can kind of have, this has a fun little hem here, like a split hem here. And it is size, trying to find it. There's no legitimate size. Well, I can't find it right now. Make sure you watch to the end. We're going to take all of these dresses, put them on hookedonpickin.com, and we will have the sizes listed there. So this one looks a little bit of a smaller size, maybe like a 4 or a size smaller medium, but it's got a lot of stretch in it. And so I think, you know, it's got a lot of variety as far as size. So, all right, this one, very gold. Let's see, does it say a size? Extra, extra large is the size on this one.
We always look for gold in a box.
This is your gold, Paul. We found the gold in the box. All right.
Is it a dress or pants?
It is pants.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
I need to wear that, Heather.
Everybody think Paul needs to wear it?
Absolutely, he does.
Paul wore a denim jumper for the TV show.
I did.
I should pop that little video up if I can find it.
Sad.
It's
really.
It was amazing. It was like Elvis sequence, but it was all denim. So this is an extra extra large.
Elvis wore a jumper, didn't he?
Yeah, he did.
Yeah, he wore jumpers.
He wears jumpers all the time.
Pretty awesome.
Yep. It would have been better if he would have went all right. All right, here's another dress. Ooh, this one's really pretty. It's got an illusion neckline. It's navy blue. Oh, this is the back. Here's the front. So it's got a sweetheart neckline with the illusion straps here. So it's one solid piece here.
What'd you say the size was?
I don't think I said. Let me see. It looks like a larger size. Definitely maybe like a 1X or 2X. I don't see the tag right off the bat. Like I said, sometimes they're hidden on the inside seam and I'd have to go digging forever. But so make sure you stay tuned to the end and we can definitely find out all the sizes for you on those. All right, here's another one. These are so pretty. This one's kind of like a black sequence and tan color. Kind of has a sunburst kind of look to it, doesn't it? So,
That does look nice.
so this is the back, I think, and this is the front. Or maybe vice. I don't know which is the back and the front. Because it's a pull over the head style. Oh, here's a tag. So this is the back. This V-neck. It says that it is a size extra large US 14. So this one's a 14. Pretty, isn't it? All right, this one is a size 16. Has a normal tag. Onyx Night is the maker. What was the original? Oh, it doesn't have the original price, but size 16. Kind of a, I don't know what color you would call that, but oh, look at the fun bottom on it. It's got almost like a trumpet hem there, and then it's got a really cute belt. Size 16 on that one. Pretty, isn't it? All right, here's another one. This one is just like the other, but this is a medium US 810.
Cool.
For that one.
Identical?
Yeah, they're identical.
Yeah.
One listing, 2 variations. Gotta love that. So make sure you watch to the end. You'll see how much we're going to charge for all these. So I know homecoming might be done for most schools, but prom dresses are coming up and weddings and all that stuff that you can now have. This one says it's a, oh, it doesn't have a size. Oh, this one says medium. So this is the front. Very pretty, nice ruching in the bust line. Sheer sleeves. Boy, that is really gorgeous. Ooh, excuse me.
Having a hard time taking your cold, huh?
Really, I think it's the soybean harvesting is what's going on.
Yep.
All right, then we've got, this is blue extra large. Sorry. This is a blue extra large. Really pretty. Look at the bottom of that. I love the bottom. And then it's got kind of the illusion top there. All right, then we have, this one is size, I'm trying to give you the size ahead of time. This one, I can't find the size. It's got a tag, but I'll have to look a little. Oh, look at this, a high-low hem. This looks like an extra large or a 2XL, if I would to guess. But I'll find the for sure size. But illusion lace up here, and then it's got the high-low hem. So here's the front, and then the back. So really pretty. It's lined completely on the inside, black lace. And then, last but not least, everybody needs a red dress in their wardrobe. Lady in red. Ooh, look at the bling on that. So this is a strapless. That is beautiful. It's got the corseted back, so it will fit you no matter what. You can pretty much make it whatever size you want. It does have also built-in structure, so you don't have to wear a bra with it because it's basically got a built-in one on the inside. Let me see if I can find the size. There's a tag here. It's all folded up. Hold on one sec. I will have to go on the extra hunt because the tag is not being helpful. It's just like the washing instructions, but it's a nice big ball gown. How cool is that? It does have pockets. Look at that. Yep. On both sides, pockets. This is a pretty dress. This would be a pretty prom dress. You throw a little like black shrug on it or something, or a silver shrug. That'd be really cute. Is the price, is the size, oh, this says size 12. Size 12 for this one. Really pretty. All right, so let's go ahead and we're going to price everything, and then I'll show you everything on hookedonpickin.com and what we chose to price it for. All right, we've got everything priced and ready to go. So what are we pricing all of our beautiful gowns and outfits? Ready? Here we go. First off, this was a gorgeous dress. The Melissa Women's strapless beaded prom dress. It's an A-line satin evening gown with pockets. So very, very beautiful, structured on the inside, does have the built-in bra inside, and it's got the corset backing, as you can see there. So a very, very beautiful dress that would fit beautifully, and it has a size chart. So if you're wondering, will this size fit you? It is a size 12 and $49.99. When I looked these up online, they were closer to the $80 mark. So $49.99 is all we're asking for this beautiful beaded prom dress. Then we have this gorgeous Onyx Night women's short scallop sleeve peplum bodice gown. So it's got a really pretty skirt on it, very flowy. It's a size 16. $39.99. Very flattering with this belt, sits right at the natural waist, but a really pretty color. I do believe that these pictures don't do the color justice. It is a little bit of a brighter, kind of bolder color than this, but it's pretty close. So $39.99 for this size 16. Then we have two of these. This is the 1920s mermaid maxi long sequins formal dress. So it's black and has kind of a tan nude color underneath. So we have this in a medium, which is a size 8 to 10 in US, and an extra large, which would be your typical 16 to 18 size. So $39.99 for this beautiful dress. Gorgeous, very 1920s feel on this one. Then we have the women's 1920s evening gown formal beaded sequin. It's got a drop waist on it. And so if you want to kind of have some structure around those hips and stuff, this is a gorgeous dress to kind of show off. This is an extra large, size 16 to 18. Really got the illusion neckline there. So it does have a sweetheart neckline, but is fully structured. So you're not dealing with a strapless, but you kind of have the look of a strapless with this one because of the illusion mesh netting there. $39.99. Then we have this beautiful black women's vintage floral lace dress. It's got a high-low front hem. It's got 3/4 length sleeves. Very beautiful and structured. It's a cocktail party swing dress. Really pretty hem on it. Very beautiful black lace with a lining underneath. So that is a 2XL for this one, and it is $29.99. Then we have a chiffon V-neck formal party dress. It's a long evening. This is really, really pretty and a very bold color. $39.99. It is a size medium with that high-waisted just under the bust line. So it's going to make you look really trim and slim, and then everything flows away from you there. So $39.99 for that medium. Then we have an extra large in this beautiful women's elegant mermaid short sleeved long evening dress. So it's got some sleeves on it, and then it's got a really, really fun skirt on it. Just very, very pretty. And so, like I said, it was an extra large for $39.99 on a really, really pretty blue color. Then we have this pantsuit. So this is the pantsuit that you could zip it all the way up or leave it like this. $14.99 for this 2XL gold pantsuit, bodycon high-waisted one-piece jumpsuit or romper. Then we have this women's party off the shoulder dress. This is a dark blue dress, $14.99. It is a size small, lots and lots of give and stretch. So it's going to fit no matter what because of all the extra stretch that's in it. So $14.99 is all we put on this because it is a smaller size, but it's super cute and it is this nice dark blue color. So $14.99 for that. So hopefully you love everything on hookedonpickin.com. You can go straight to the shop, drop down to clothing, or you can go down here and hit the clothing there, and you'll find all of our brand new dresses listed right at the top of the shop of the clothing section. So if you're interested in any of these, you can go straight there and find it all. And of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.